Hey YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. I am so excited. Today is my 2021 Thanksgiving Clean and Decorate. I shared a picture over on my community tab and on Instagram, a picture of a really beautiful Thanksgiving tree, asking if this is something you guys would love to see, and I think like 80-something% of you said that you did. So I'm so excited to share this video. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. If you love Thanksgiving, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I would love for you to stick around. I have so much fun Christmas content coming up. So excited to share all of it with you guys, but first, let's jump into Thanksgiving. So I started with all of my fall, autumn picks on the top and the garlands. Next, I'm coming in with this Dollar Tree ribbon. I actually bought this for my fall decorating videos and never used it. I'm just using the tuck and pinch method to apply my ribbon. Then I realized I need to start adding some signs because they're pretty large, and then I will go through and finish off with the ribbon. Okay, after I'm done with the ribbon, I'm going to go through and add in my large fall flowers, then some of my smaller signs. In a moment, you will see an after of the tree. I later go back, so stick around to the end of the video and add a ton more because you know your girl's extra and this tree just needed just a little bit more. Next, I am just taking a little bit of the Method glass cleaner to wipe off this mirror. Then we are going to wipe down this buffet table and start styling it. Okay, so if you are not new to my channel, then you know I am like Christmas obsessed, but Thanksgiving, like I've said before, is my second most favorite holiday. I love it so much. It is literally my most favorite meal of the year, which I think might be odd for some people because I hear some people really just don't like Thanksgiving food, but I love it. Like I love it so much I cannot just pick one dish that I love. I love the stuffing and I love the candied yams and I love the pies, and oh my gosh, I could just go on forever and ever. I just love Thanksgiving food. So let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite Thanksgiving food? I love this scent, Acorn Spice by Mrs. Meyer's. It is hands down my favorite Thanksgiving scent. So we are just going to use this, wipe everything down, get it fresh and clean. Then I'm going to start my centerpiece. This garland, adding the twinkle lights on top. These twinkle lights are some of my favorite. I will actually link them in my description box. I got them from Amazon, so if you're looking for twinkle lights, these ones are great. I purchase them every year, but I actually wish I would have put more of the garland together first and then put the lights on top. I like the way that it turned out, but it just kind of gives it a lit from below look, and I kind of like the twinkle lights on top. But other than that, I really love the way that this centerpiece turned out. For this centerpiece, I wanted to incorporate a lot of the elements that you will see on the Christmas tree, so I went with these sparkly sticks, the velvet pumpkins, lots of leaves, and it just gave it so much texture and dimension. I love it. It's simple. I'm only setting a table for 4, so I felt like it was the perfect size. Next, I am adding in these pumpkins, and then we are going to use these chargers from Hobby Lobby. For my table setting, I wanted to go just rustic and simple, so I am first going to add in these leaves to the garland. Then you will see I just use some really simple ceramic beautiful plates as my table setting. you can hear I'm a little bit congested, so we might actually be spending Thanksgiving here and instead of with my family. I'm hoping that's not the case, but my youngest has had the flu and I've been sick as well, so I wanted to kind of set this table as something that we would actually use if we do end up staying home. Next, I am adding these candlesticks from Kirkland's.
It's open for tonight, it's not too late. My mind says yes, you've been here for quite some time.
Next, I am going to use these napkins from Home Goods. I love how they come in an 8-pack and they're all different colors. I thought it was just so beautiful because it matched the centerpiece and the tree. These glittery leaves are actually from Dollar Tree. They have clips on them, so instead of placing them on the plate, you could also use them to clip onto your napkins as napkin rings.
Bright lights and colors. Love is for the ones who dare.
Okay, we are adding the silverware as our last final touch. I am obsessed with this dining room, you guys. I love it so much. I feel like maybe I should just decorate for Thanksgiving every year because I still have my tree, so I still get all the twinkly lights. But we are going to take a tour of this dining room as soon as I'm done with the silverware. Let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite part.
You drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Alright guys, that is the end of the video. I am wishing everyone a beautiful and healthy holiday. I hope you guys make a ton of memories with your family that you will remember forever. If you love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel so much. And also hit that subscribe button if you are new. I would love for you to stick around, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks guys. Bye.
Just to wake you up when I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving